The retail shelf is a competitive marketplace. A well-branded package is telling a story.
When a customer looks at your product, what are they seeing? How do they feel? Does the package increase the value of your product?
A well-made product package is super important to reaching consumers as they make that buying decision. Will the consumer choose yours or someone else's?
We have award-winning structural designers that will not only turn your idea into physical reality, but also offer you practical and creative considerations to make your packaging perform better.
That experience can help our customers get a package that's exactly right for their consumers.
And we understand how to make and deliver that package, how to make it look good, but also how to make it functionally robust, and how to deliver 100,000 units where you want it and when you want it.
We're always thinking of ways to help you get a more contemporary look and feel. This is a very cool award-winning carton of ours. It is child-resistant and tamper-evident. So when the consumer gets it, they can punch this in, push the lock, and actually open the drawer to reveal their product.
It's great to see the products that we produce here at All Packaging, and I see our products in stores every day.
We love the collaborative process. In fact, it's super fun to collaborate with you, our customer, the people aspect. We love to be innovative. We work to understand your objectives and what you're trying to accomplish. We're here to elevate your brand.
This award-winning package is different from others. It has the ability to open up like a camera aperture and close as well. And it's made out of one piece of paperboard.
We understand your business, whether you're in a grocery store competing with tens of thousands of items, or whether you're online competing with literally millions.
So this is one of our award-winning cartons. Cool thing about this one is it actually gives plenty of visibility of the product so the end consumer can actually see whatever color choices they're getting. There's plenty of copy space on the actual package itself, information that the consumer might find useful, and then still giving reinforcing branding for the actual product manufacturer.
All Packaging Company continues to invest not only in equipment and systems, but in our people and in the relationships we have with our customers and suppliers. It's an important focus of ours to be easy to work with.
We are constantly investing, updating our technology to give you the best options. Technologies that can actually speed the process and save you money.
One of the services that we provide is 3D proofing. That gives the ability for the customer to check their artwork before it goes on to press. And that results in possible savings of thousands of dollars or even errors already sent to the stores.
Key components we offer include value, price, lead times, and also sustainability, such as recycled paper, environmentally friendly inks, and carbon neutral energy supply. You even get to use our eco-friendly logo on your box, an added benefit for our customers.
And we have decades of experience creating solutions.
We're here to help you reach your consumer, to help you enhance your brand.
So call us. We'd love to help you.